Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. Please like, share, comment and subscribe. In Part 1, we talked about how automakers are using recycled materials to build eco-friendly cars. Now, let's dive deeper into the benefits of these sustainable innovations and check out some amazing examples of cars made from recycled materials. Ready to see the future of green driving? Let's go! Cars made from recycled materials. Some car manufacturers are taking sustainability to the next level by using recycled materials in their production. For example, the Mini Cooper has a body made from a combination of steel and recycled aluminum. The Ford Focus, on the other hand, features an interior made from recycled plastics and fabrics. Other examples include the Volkswagen Golf, which has a body made from a combination of steel and recycled materials. The Kia Rio, which features an interior made from recycled plastics and sustainable fabrics. The Honda Civic, which has a body made from a combination of steel and recycled aluminum. Can you imagine driving a car made from recycled materials? Would it make you feel like you're doing your part for the environment? Challenges and limitations of sustainable car manufacturing. As car manufacturers shift towards eco-friendly production, they face several challenges that can impact the success of sustainable car manufacturing. One of the main hurdles is finding a balance between using sustainable materials and keeping production costs low. Can sustainable car manufacturing be cost-effective, or will it always come with a higher price tag? Higher production costs. Using sustainable materials can increase production costs for car manufacturers. For instance, recycled materials like aluminum and steel can be more expensive to source and process than traditional materials. Additionally, sustainable materials like bioplastics and natural fibers can be pricey due to the high cost of production and limited availability. This can make it difficult for car manufacturers to compete with traditional manufacturers who use cheaper materials. What are some ways car manufacturers can reduce production costs while still using sustainable materials? Some possible solutions include investing in more efficient production processes, sourcing sustainable materials from local suppliers, developing new technologies to reduce production costs, collaborating with other manufacturers to share resources and expertise. Future of sustainable car manufacturing. As we move forward, the automotive industry will continue to play a significant role in reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. The future of sustainable car manufacturing looks promising, with advances in technology and government incentives driving the adoption of eco-friendly materials. So, what does the future hold for sustainable car manufacturing? Advances in technology. Technology is transforming the way cars are made, with innovations like 3D printing and recycling technologies leading the charge. For instance, 3D printing allows manufacturers to create complex car parts using sustainable materials like bioplastics and recycled metals. This reduces waste and energy consumption during production. Recycling technologies are also improving, enabling manufacturers to recycle materials like plastic, aluminum, and steel more efficiently. Some examples of technological innovations include advanced recycling facilities that can process complex materials like carbon fiber, 3D printing technologies that use bioplastics and recycled metals to create car parts, robots that can disassemble and recycle old cars, reducing waste and increasing the availability of recycled materials. Can technology help solve the sustainability challenges facing the automotive industry? Government incentives and regulations. Government policies and incentives are crucial in driving the adoption of sustainable materials in car manufacturing. Many governments offer tax incentives, subsidies, and low-interest loans to manufacturers that use eco-friendly materials in their production. For example, the U.S. government offers a tax credit for manufacturers that produce electric and hybrid vehicles, which often feature sustainable materials in their design. Regulations like the European Union's End-of-Life Vehicle Directive also play a significant role in promoting sustainable car manufacturing. This directive requires manufacturers to design and produce vehicles that are recyclable and reusable, reducing waste and minimizing environmental impact. Some examples of government incentives include tax credits for manufacturers that produce electric and hybrid vehicles, subsidies for companies that invest in recycling technologies and sustainable materials, Low-interest loans for manufacturers that adopt eco-friendly production processes. How can governments encourage more manufacturers to adopt sustainable materials and production processes? Sustainable car manufacturing reduces waste and pollution. It helps conserve natural resources. Eco-friendly cars are gaining popularity. Car buyers want vehicles made from recycled materials. This trend will continue to grow. The future of sustainable car manufacturing looks promising. What role will you play in supporting eco-friendly vehicles? Will you choose a car made from recycled materials? Supporting sustainable car manufacturing helps create a cleaner environment. Thanks for reading about eco-friendly cars. Share your thoughts on sustainable car manufacturing. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.